Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today I'm putting the racing seats I got from Michael in Kansas in. My wife did the best she could at stitching up all the torn up spots, and it looks okay to me. Looks good enough for free seats. I ended up just basically taking the Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. Don't ask why it has red tape. That's how I bought it. It's vinyl and fabric paint, and basically I spray one coat and then brush it in, let it dry and do a second coat, brush it in, and then brush it after it's dry, and they don't have like a super rough feeling, and they look pretty good. Here's a before picture of how they looked, and here's the current how they look, and they look so much better than they did before. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in the car. I'll take these ones out. It's just 12 millimeters, I believe. Sometimes they have a 14 bolt, but most of the time they're 12 millimeters. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, test fit them, and see if they fit in the car. All right, so we got the passenger side installed. Everything looks good. It slides fine. And it has a seat belt on it, so it's good to go there. So now we just got to do the driver's side. Alright, so here's the ultimate test, seeing how comfortable it is. They're pretty comfy. I really like racing seats. They fit so nice and they just hold the body so good, support it. And it's pretty solid, so I'd say this is a win in my books. So now that we're done with that, we'll go over a few more things. Alright, so there that is. The seats look awesome in there. I do need to get either a roll cage soon, which is probably not in my budget for a while, or at least a harness bar to go back there, get some racing harnesses. Probably do red, since we're going to do the car red, have black seats with red harnesses. There is no carpet. There hasn't been carpet since I got it, so I was thinking about throwing a red carpet in it, but I don't know. I still don't know the full direction I'm going with this car. I'd like to make it into a track car, but at the same time, I'd like to just squeeze a lot of power into the hood and have some fun with it. With it just the red, lowered on some white wheels. It won't be too, over the top or anything, and people probably wouldn't expect it to be quick. So I'm going to try to sleeper it. Not a true sleeper. A true sleeper would be like this yellow car. leaving it exactly how it is and putting a ton of power behind it. But I figured, why not throw the racing seats in? Got them painted. They look a lot better, and I'm happy with it. So huge shout out to Michael again. Thank you so much for those seats. As for the engine bay, that's probably next on my list. I want to get pretty much everything pulled out of here and spray it down, pressure wash the engine bay. And I'm going to start with the bay. I'll take everything out, paint all of it red. The engine bay will be red, including the outside. Normally I do an off-colored engine bay, but I think this one I'm just going to make it clean. Throw the turbo kit on it, most likely, and start getting some power put behind it. But I think it'll look good. All red, white wheels, or gold. Still not 100% sold on which color. And then clean up the engine bay. Just make it look clean. Maybe sell it, maybe keep it. I haven't decided yet, but I know that it's a good running car. So it should be pretty fun. And I can make it look nice at least. And you know, the Civic's a good daily. The orange one out there is a real good daily. So I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. I change my mind a lot on things, as most of you probably have figured out. It's probably part of my ADHD and autism. So it is what it is, guys. But yeah, so this will have to come out. Turbo manifold will bolt right up on there. I'll probably take this oil pan off since it has the bung for the oil return. Put the oil feed line on, intercooler piping kit, and the turbo will be installed. Of course you will, or I will, have to get a OBD2A, because this is a 98, not a 99. An OBD2A to OBD1 conversion harness to throw a P28 in, or a chipped ECU, so that we can tune it. So it'll be untuned for a while, which kind of sucks, but I probably won't beat on it too much. I might not even get to drive it yet. No tag for it, and I don't like to drive without tags or insurance. But yeah, rip the AC out next. Power steering most likely. The cruise control doesn't even work. The cable's completely missing. And yeah, I don't know. I know that we got plans. Not exactly sure what they are 100% yet, but we do have plans set in motion. I've already got the racing seats in, so that's the first step in the right direction. And then we'll go for paint. This window will definitely have to be replaced, though. It looks like something broke back there. Shattered the whole thing. It's been like this, though. He's been driving it around. I drove it all the way on the highway here, so it's holding for now. No cracks in the front windshield, which is awesome. That means I'll be able to go to the track a lot easier once I replace the back one. And a lot of you will probably say Lexan windows. I can't afford Lexan windows, so yeah. Now, if these got busted out, I'd probably plexi them because it's super easy to do, but Lexan for these windows are pretty expensive for me, at least. And working on a budget, guys. Trying to get you guys content out, trying not to make it too boring. But we should have pretty good content with this car, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. I might go get the white wheels out of the shed and throw them on here, see what they look like. Or just paint these ones white, because they have brand new tires all the way around. They look pretty good, so we could just lower it down on these and beef up the suspension a little bit, and everything should be good to go. But definitely stay tuned, guys. We will have more on this build coming soon. I just wanted to put a video out so you guys could see. Seats are in. They're painted. They look a lot better than they did when I got them. But yep, that's basically it for this video. If you guys want to see more on other builds I've done, definitely check out my other channel, link in the description to the James D. Guy More Motorsports page. And I have videos and playlists made on this channel, so definitely check them out if you're bored. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, God bless, stay safe, and stay awesome.